Hi, I wanted to post a quick update about these lights that I reviewed before. I still love them. In fact, I bought a couple more. And the only thing I didn't like about them, and it was in the review video, was the fact that the magnets don't hold well. And by don't hold well, I mean that if you put this on a flat surface, metal, that it can very easily start sliding down by itself or with a light amount of touch, which is not great. So I got to thinking about it, and I have this material. This is a silicone sheet with a very high adhesive on the very good, high bond adhesive on the back that is extremely like gummy. I use this for other things to keep them from sliding. It's very high friction, and so what I did was I 3D printed these little bars and then stuck the silicone to the top, and I did it so that the silicone sheet just barely sits above the magnet. So when you put this on something metal, it pushes into the silicone just a little bit, and then the magnets touch. And that's actually fixed the issue. I mean, you can go like this now and you can't push it down. Before, well, here, I'll show you. I have another one over here that I have not done the mod to yet. Okay, so this is one without the mod, and it just slides. Depending on the thickness of the metal that you stick it to, it may just go on its own and slide. But since adding that silicone to it, I can push hard. I mean, I'm putting probably 50 pounds of pressure on that, and it finally popped loose. But that was like 50 pounds of pressure I was putting on there, and no more sliding. So I'm going to mod the rest of mine, and I'm 3D printing the little parts right now. Anyway, I just thought I would, in conclusion, excellent little work lights, and the one issue I had is now fixed. Love them. No more sliding when I'm working on machinery, and I got this stuck to the side of it. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.